This is the not like everyone drop, and I want to start with the why. If you've ever felt a little different, a little too much, or like you weren't made to fit in, you're not alone. I used to think that meant something was wrong with me, but I finally realized I'm just not built for boring, and that's the whole point. All right, getting into it. The painted dog. Genuinely, like one of a kind. The paint style, the expression, the whole vibe. He's not like everything else or anything else, and that's exactly why I love him. This charm is for staying true to your own taste, your own style, your own unique little loves, even when everyone else is out here copying each other. A tiny, stay original reminder. The carnival cutie. This little guy is pure personality. He's for joy that's loud, humor that saves you, and letting your own fun side take up space. Life is serious enough. You're allowed to be the playful one. You're allowed to be the one who makes things lighter. Next, we have our beloved circus penguin. This one is for the lovable oddball who still takes center stage. Even if you feel different in the room, you still show up as yourself. It's a reminder that confidence isn't about blending in, it's about owning who you are. The alien it girl. This one is personal for me. I've always felt different, like I wasn't built from the same template as everyone else. And I used to think that meant I needed to shrink or fix myself. Now I know it's actually the best part of me. This charm is for anyone who's ever felt like an alien and is ready to wear that like a flex, because it truly is. Different looks good on you. This is our tiny ringleader. This little guy is giving the cutest boss energy. He's quirky, he's bold, and he's low-key protective. This charm is for anyone who's sweet and soft, but also not the one to mess with. A reminder that softness and strength can live in the same body. Here's our ultra unhinged butterfly. He's not delicate, he's ultra. He's the kind of transformation that doesn't whisper. He's for the version of you that's done waiting to be easy to understand. It's your reminder to bloom anyway, even if your bloom is loud, weird, or a little chaotic in the best kind of way. The beautiful royal Ferris wheel. This charm is about perspective. Sometimes life feels loud or heavy, and you're so close to it you can't think straight. This Ferris wheel is your reminder to step back, rise up, and see the bigger picture. You're not stuck. You're just in the middle of the ride. The carousel cages. These are interactive charms. They come in both the silver color tone and the gold color tone. These are little traveling sanctuaries. They open at the base like a tiny secret room, which is honestly so special. You can put something inside, a folded wish, a tiny token, a word you want to carry with you, a symbol of who you're becoming. Close the door and it becomes this pocket-sized ritual to keep on you. Your wonder, it's protected. Your intention, it's held. Your magic, kept close. That's what the not like everyone drop is. A tiny parade of originals, a reminder that your uniqueness isn't something to fix, it's something to lead with. And like usual, this is a small batch surprise drop, and once these are gone, they're gone. Though I am a little obsessed with them, and I might bring some of these back as a classic, it's doubtful it will happen anytime soon, if at all. So if one of these feels like you, or the entire collection does, go and claim it. Wear it like a reminder. You are never meant to be like everyone else. And I love that for you.